A prayer to protect your destiny from Chapter 11. The Siren's War Against Destiny by Hidden Depths Press, publishing the depths of truth. Father of lights, eternal King of glory, I come before you in the name of YAHUAH HaMashiach. Before the foundations of the world, you wrote my destiny in your book. You knew my name, my purpose, and my path. No storm of darkness shall erase what you have written. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an expected end. I rest in that promise. My life is not a mistake. My purpose is not random. Every word you spoke concerning me shall stand. Psalm 139:16. Thine eyes did see my substance, yet being unperfect, and in thy book all my members were written. No watcher, no siren, no marine spirit shall rewrite my story. My scroll belongs to you, Most High. Isaiah 28:18. Your covenant with death shall be disannulled, and your agreement with hell shall not stand. In the name of YAHUAH HaMashiach, I renounce every hidden agreement made in ignorance, every dream covenant, every word curse, every tie to the sea. I break every chain of lust, fear, or delay. Every altar beneath the waters, burned by holy fire. The blood of YAHUAH speaks louder than the waves. His covenant cancels every counterfeit covenant. 2 Corinthians 10:4-5. The weapons of our warfare are not carnal, but mighty through God to the pulling down of strongholds. Father, the war is in the mind. Every lie that whispers I cannot, every image that enslaves, every voice that calls me backward, I silence you now. I bring my thoughts into obedience to YAHUAH HaMashiach. Let truth flood my imagination, and light conquer my reasoning. The voice of the Lord is upon the waters. The God of glory thundereth. Let your thunder drown the song of seduction. Let your words scatter deception in the deep. I decree that my ears belong only to you. I will hear the command of the Most High and follow no other voice. Romans 13:12. Let us cast off the works of darkness, and let us put on the armor of light. I put on the helmet of salvation to guard my thoughts, the breastplate of righteousness to cover my heart, the belt of truth to strengthen my stand, the shield of faith to quench every fiery dart, the sword of the Spirit to divide truth from error. My feet are shod with peace. I walk into destiny unafraid. Psalm 18:16-17. He sent from above. He took me. He drew me out of many waters. Draw me out, O Most High. Lift me above every flood of temptation and delay. Let your wind part the waters and make a path for my feet. Where sirens gathered to drown my purpose, send angels of deliverance to scatter them. Every hidden altar under the sea, break now. Revelation 5:1-2. And I saw in the right hand of him that sat on the throne a book written within, and on the backside, sealed with 7 seals. Open the scroll of my life, O Lord. Reveal what you have written concerning me. Restore every lost page. Reveal every destiny that sin tried to corrupt. No demon shall edit what you have decreed. By the blood of YAHUAH HaMashiach I declare, every marine altar speaking against my future, destroyed. Every curse from the waters reversed. Every destiny virtue stolen in dreams restored. Every delay, disappointment, and diversion overturned. Isaiah 54:17. No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper. Every weapon forged in darkness shall fail. Romans 8:28. All things work together for good to them that love God, to them who are the called according to his purpose. Align every season, every relationship, and every opportunity with your will. Remove every wrong connection. Let every storm push me closer to purpose. Turn every delay into preparation for glory. Said Romans 12. Be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. Renew my mind, O Lord. Where anxiety dwelled, plant faith. Where despair lingered, sow hope. Where temptation rose, let holiness burn brighter. My thoughts, my emotions, my heart belong to you. Joel 2:25-26. And I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten. Restore my lost time, my creativity, and my vision. Return every fragment of destiny stolen by the deep. Let angels of restoration gather what was lost and bring it back sevenfold. Exodus 15:1-2. I will sing unto the Lord, for he hath triumphed gloriously. The horse and his rider hath he thrown into the sea. Now I sing the song of deliverance. The sirens are silent, the waves obey your command. Glory to the Lamb who reigns forever. Write upon me, Father, your final word, fulfilled. Let heaven record that I fought the good fight, that I kept the faith, that I finished my course. Philippians 1:6. He which hath begun a good work in you will perform it until the day of YAHUAH HaMashiach. You began this work in me, and you will complete it. My destiny is protected, my calling unstoppable. By the blood of YAHUAH HaMashiach, by the word of my testimony, and by the power of the Spirit of truth, I decree that my destiny is covered by heaven. I am free, I am restored, I am aligned, I am victorious. In the mighty name of YAHUAH HaMashiach.